Hi, I'm Dan at Jangro Head Office. The Jangro LMS has been updated with a brand new section called LMS Premium. This new area has paid for content that covers off some of the bigger topics in the cleaning industry. In this video, I will show you how to purchase and assign credits for these courses for you and your company's registered users, as well as how to enroll one of your users to the course. When you log into the LMS platform as you normally would, you should now see a premium training course on the banner at the top. If you select this, it will give you an overview of all of the available courses. Alternatively, if you hover over it, you can select the required course from the drop-down. In addition to this, these courses are also visible on your course overview by selecting the Premium Courses tab. As a manager, you also have a Premium Content section in the top right. Here, you can purchase credits for our premium courses and assign these credits to specific courses and users. Your users cannot add themselves to a course, but can request enrollment. These can all be seen under the enrollment request option, and depending on your available credits, can approve or deny the request. In addition to the above, we also have a view payment history, which will show you your credit purchases and provide a PDF of the invoice, as well as an overall credit timeline that allows you to track your credit purchases and which credits were assigned historically. The credit costs for each course are visible by selecting the course, but what you can also do is if you choose assign credits, it will give you a summary of all the required credits for each course here. When you know how many credits you require, select the Buy Credits option. Select the required number of credits. If it varies from this, you can choose Custom Amount and put in the required amount here. Follow the on-screen instructions and proceed to check out. And as with any other online payment, simply fill out your billing information, choose Pay, and once that transaction is completed, it will take you back to the LMS page. To view the credits purchased, simply choose Assign Credits again, and you will see at the top right corner, it shows you how many credits you have remaining. If you do not have enough credits to assign to a user, it will advise you when you try this and prevent the user being added. When you're happy with the amount of credits and the course required, click on Assign Users, select the required user, and choose Add. Once it says User successfully added, that user is then eligible to start that course. Please be advised that the credits can be reassigned to other users' courses, but only if the user it was initially assigned to has not started the course. As soon as a course is started by a user, the credits are no longer refundable or transferable. As well as assigning your users directly here, your users may have requested an enrollment on a course beforehand. If they have done this, then both the user and their associated manager should receive an email to this effect. All the manager needs to do in this instance is select Enrollment Requests, and they should see the user there who has requested this. In this example, these 3 enrollment requests have previously been denied. Please be advised that if you deny an enrollment request at this stage, they cannot re-request an enrollment. So the only way for them to do this would be to contact their manager and ask for access to the course. As with the Assign Credit section, if you need to give access to the course, you simply need to choose the Approve button. Again, please be advised it does summarize your available credits here. If you do not have enough credits, it will not allow this process. You can view all of these transactions by choosing the credit timeline. As you can see here, it has a history of when I have assigned and revoked access to courses. In this example, the courses have not been started by any of these test users, so they can be reassigned. If you do need to reassign a course, all you would need to do is simply go back to Assign Credits, and if you choose a required course, so as per this example, jangro.test.user@jangrotest.net has access to the course but has not started it. As such, it will allow me to remove this user. And if I now go back to assign credits, it shows my total credits is back up to 150. This is also visible under the enrollment requests.